this is Ritu Barnal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before moving ahead, I want to let you know that I make videos on self-growth, productivity and on quality books. So if you are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to talk about mental health. So what is mental health and why is it so important to us? Mental health refers to our cognitive behavior and emotional well-being. It is all about how we think, feel and perceive. It also affects our personal life, relationships and physical health. Mental health is as important as our physical health. Although these both are correlated to each other. We can understand this with an example. Suppose we are sick, we don't even feel good from inside too, and vice versa. So mental health is very much important to keep our life sustainable and healthy from outside. So here are some few things to do to take care of your mental health. First thing is write down your feelings. Writing down your feelings is a very effective method to take out all the pressures and tensions from your head. Everyone faces some good and bad days. Try to write down all the good and bad things happen throughout your day. And this will help you to feel calm and relaxed. If you are facing some problems, try to write down all the problems and their possible solutions beside them. And if you are feeling bad moods, try to think about all the blessings and the good things happen to you and try to make a list of that. This will surely help you to feel good and it will also improve your mood. Second is read a book. Books can be your very good friend when there is nobody to share and listen your feelings. Try to read at least 30 pages every day. Whenever you feel low, pick out your favorite book and forget all the worries and anxieties. This will surely help you to develop your reading habit too. You can write short notes and stick to your favorite pages and later on this will work as memory for you. Next thing is try to pick out a hobby. Whenever you feel low or down, try to pick out a thing that you really love to do or try to do things that you're really good at doing. This will help you to improve your mood. Also, this will make you feel good about yourself. And this will help you to brush up your old skills and habits. Fourth thing is listen to a podcast or a TED Talk every day. Podcasts and TED Talks are very good things to listen. Everyone should listen at least one TED Talk or a podcast every day. This will help you to gain knowledge about that specific field. Also, it will help you to motivate yourself. There are many apps from where you can choose your favorite topics and listen to them while you are working or traveling. The thing is talking with loved ones. Talking with people who really understand our feelings is very necessary in once in a while. Talking with people will help both of you to understand each other very well as it builds trust and security in a relationship. Also, it makes bonding stronger. It will also help to make you feel good and positive. Sixth thing is try to cook something. Everybody should know how to cook some basic recipes for themselves. So try to cook sometimes some easy to make recipes so that you can refresh your mood and to make your tummy happy as well. Seventh thing is developing a new skill. Learning is a very essential habit for everyone. Try to learn at least for 2 hours every day. Try to pursue a skill that will help you in future too. There are many free courses available on EDX and Coursera from where you can learn of your interest. Learning is the most favorite habit of mine which makes me enjoy and feel good. And I hope the same goes for you too. The eighth thing is start educating others. If you are good at something, try to share your knowledge with others. You can start your educational channel or you can give tuitions too. This will help you to improve your knowledge as well as experience. The thing is watch out a good movie or a good series. Try to spend alone hours in watching some good movies and series so that you can feel relaxed and happy. Then thing is to listen some good music. Good music really helps us to feel calm and relaxed while we are working or after a heavy work. We can listen to music while we are studying or before falling asleep. It will really help us to concentrate on studies or makes us fall asleep quickly. Last and the most important important thing is to meditate and to take rest properly. Meditating really helps our whole system to feel relaxed and calm. We should meditate at least for 10 to 20 minutes every day. Also, 8 hours sleep is also required for us. We should take at least 8 hours of sound sleep every day to feel energetic throughout our day. That's all for now guys. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and share this video as much as you can. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care, love you and see you soon.